If you're building a team in 2025 or thinking about building one in 2026, you're probably going to come across terms like use Airtable or just do it in ClickUp or build in Smartsheet. They all manage work, but they optimize for different outcomes. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you what each one does best and who should use it. So what is Airtable? Airtable, I would consider it the visual database. Airtable blends a spreadsheet with database and no-code apps. You design bases with linked records, forms, automations, and interfaces for polished dashboards. It is perfect when your work depends on structured data, for instance, content catalogs, assets, inventory, and CRM Lite, and you want custom views without writing code. I would recommend you use it if your team lives in spreadsheets but need relational data, intake forms, and clean stakeholder views. On the other hand, what is ClickUp? I would consider ClickUp the all-in-one work hub. ClickUp centralizes tasks, docs, whiteboards, dashboards, goals, and automations in one place. It shines for cross-functional teams that need projects and reporting. It is good for agencies, product squads, and OPS. It offers built-in automations, custom fields, dependencies, and ClickUp Brain AI to make execution and updates fast. And I would recommend you use it if you need to run projects end-to-end, that's backlogs, sprints, and reporting, and reduce your app stack. On the other hand, what is Smartsheet? And I would consider Smartsheet the enterprise spreadsheet for projects. Smartsheet feels like a familiar spreadsheet, upgraded with Gantt, critical path, and resource views, forms, and control center. It's trusted in PMOs and operations where governance, cross-sheet formulas, and stakeholder reporting matters. I would recommend you use it if your organization already thinks in sheets and needs project rigor, roll-ups, and executive dashboards at scale. Now, let's talk about how they feel in a day-to-day use cases. So, for example, we'll start off with Airtable. Airtable is data first. So, you records, link to records, and you build apps from your data. While ClickUp, on the other hand, is execution first. What do I mean by that? You have tasks, owners, due dates, automations, and dashboards. While Smartsheet, on the other hand, is project first. So sheets, Gantt, dependencies, resource management. And if we were to talk about building and customization, with Smartsheet it offers the strongest option for governed project plans and program roll-ups across many sheets. While ClickUp, on the other hand, is the fastest to spin up operational workflows, for example, intake, SOP, delivery, with templates and automations, while Airtable, on the other hand, is the fastest to craft custom systems, for example, content hubs, vendor DBs, with forms and interfaces. And also, if we were to talk about collaboration, with Airtable, it is great for stakeholder portals and form-based intake, while ClickUp, on the other hand, leads for async collaboration, so docs, comments, proofing, and task chat. Excels with status rollups, update requests, and executive-friendly reports. And talking about reports, if we were to compare them via reporting and visibility, Smartsheet offers portfolio rollups, control center, and dependable Gantt. When it comes on to ClickUp, it offers real-time dashboards with workload, velocity, and SLA widgets. While Airtable, on the other hand, offers interface for stakeholders, heavy analytics may need extensions or BI tools. And if we were to talk about the learning curve when it comes onto either one of these platforms, starting with Airtable, I would say it is easy to start, relational design clicks after a day, while ClickUp, on the other hand, needs an hour to structure the spaces, folders, and lists, then it flies. While Smartsheet, I would say, is instant for spreadsheet people, advanced features take a bit of training. And if we were to compare their pricing with Airtable, you can use it free, and then you can go onto their paid plan for $20 per month, and it can go up to $45 per month. With ClickUp, you can also use it free forever, and their monthly plan begins at $10 and can go up to $19. With Smartsheet, you'll also be able to use it for free, and you can see right here that their monthly plan begins at $12 and it can go up to $24. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative. And by the way, which one would I recommend you choose? I would recommend you choose Smartsheet if you run PMOs or operations with gang, dependencies, resource planning, and portfolio rollups, and your organization already lives in spreadsheets. While on the other hand, I would recommend you choose ClickUp if you manage projects and cross-team deliverable and want tasks, docs, automations, and dashboards in one system to reduce spread. And last but definitely not least, I would recommend you choose Airtable if your workload is data heavy. For example, assets, products, vendors, and content calendars, and you need forms and relational structure and polished interfaces for stakeholders. Thanks for watching.